this video, I will show you how to scan QR code on Roblox. So first of all, open up your Roblox app, and when you are logged in, you can just go ahead and click on your username at the top. So let's click on this. And from here, you need to click on this QR code button at the bottom left. So let's click on this as well. And then you will find your QR code in here. And if you want to scan a QR code, you need to click on the icon at the top right. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then as you can see, you can now scan a QR code with this camera. So just go ahead and scan it in here. And that is basically how you can do it. And there is also another option how you can share and scan QR codes. And that is by going to your photo gallery. And in this photo gallery, I have this screenshot in here. And when I hold my phone on this QR code in here, it will also scan this QR code, and then I can open this in Roblox immediately. And this is a feature that currently works on iPhone, and it also works on Android devices if you have one of the latest devices. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.